Alright, so I'm not the best at making full songs. So I'm gonna start this little thing called journal entries. So without further ado, let's get it going. I almost hit the stop button. What?
Freak, are you kidding me?
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, I'm sitting here with a blank look, steady staring down at this notebook. I'm premeditating how I'm going to cook. I got a dope beat with a dope hook, but man, I don't know what I'm gonna put on these pages. Steady thinking about my problems and my musical wages, trying to figure out a method to get out of this cage. I'm trying to figure out a way to stop slaving. I'll be on working my day by the day, torture my mental just for all the pain. Not seeing the light, just a dark rainy day. I'm squinting my eyes, trying to look for a way. Depression is pressuring me every day. I need me a signal with something to show me that if I keep pushing, I may find that way. That if I keep pushing, I may find that day. Yeah, yo, what I'm gonna do? While the empty man is damn near see-through. Trying to make it think I got a couple screws loose. People hating so the beats what I've been to. I can't think of another method, my mind is taking over. Keep ducking and diving, moving just like I was a soldier. Keep putting my time to the ground, wish it was over. Take a sip of that liquid poison and now my problem's over. Let's get it. Yeah, let's get it.